We recently conducted an A/B test for a DIY retailer that has more than 800,000 visits per month to uncover how Prefixbox's search suite impacts North Star search relevancy metrics like time to success and session success rate. These relevancy metrics are important because they directly impact conversion rate and revenue. Search success rate shows the percentage of search sessions where shoppers engaged with at least one product. This is important to measure because it shows how often shoppers find what they're looking for, or how relevant your results are. The higher your session success rate, your conversion rate and revenue will also be. Time to success shows the median number of seconds between the first interaction with the search function and a shopper's first click on the search engine results page. Product clicks and cart events are included too. This is important because people expect online shopping to be fast and easy. The lower your time to success, the easier shoppers are finding what they're looking for and the better their experience is. In this test, we saw that Prefixbox's search suite led to a 24% increase in product clicks, indicating heightened user engagement. The search success rate grew by a notable 7.2 percentage points, meaning that many more shoppers found the products they were looking for, increasing the retailer's conversion rate, online revenue, and customer experience. And the test results show a 9.7% decrease in the time to success, meaning that the shoppers found what they were looking for more quickly. Overall, Prefixbox helped the client decrease zero result rate searches by an impressive 52%.